You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. The pronunciation in English. Yes, indeed. Let's break it down. McClelland, alright, so there's going to be slightly different pronunciation. Some pronounce the first syllable as a M, some pronounce it as a M, okay? McClelland or McClelland. Pretty much very similar. If you say McClelland or McClelland, it's very similar. So don't worry too much about this. Now the second syllable is a cl sound, okay? It's a schwa sound. It's not an E sound, it's not McClelland, 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 McClelland. The stress is on the cl syllable. And then it's a lund syllable, not land. It's not McClelland, McClelland, McClelland. All right? Well, I think you got the point. McClelland is the pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.